There was a guy. No official job, no public power, no real explanation for how he was so important. Yet somehow he knew everyone. Presidents, princes, billionaires, the kind of people who never explain themselves. His name was Jeffrey Epstein, and for years his story lived in whispers. Then something happened. The Epstein files became public. Flight logs, court documents, names, connections, and for a moment it felt like the internet stopped breathing. People started searching, screenshots started spreading, old photos suddenly mattered. Everyone asked the same question: how is this real? Some names were expected, some were shocking, some made people go quiet instead of angry. And here's the strange part. After the files went public, nothing really happened. No mass arrests, no dramatic trials, no powerful people being dragged into court. Just statements. I don't remember. I barely knew him. I was only there once. And legally, that was enough. Social media exploded for a few weeks, then the algorithm moved on. But behind the scenes, something else happened. Lawyers got busy, statements got cleaner, stories got shorter. The narrative changed from who else was involved to was Epstein the only villain? And that shift mattered, because the moment Epstein died, he became the perfect ending. One man, one monster, one closed case. The files didn't expose a list of criminals, they exposed something worse: how easy it is for power to survive a scandal. Because when powerful people are involved, truth doesn't disappear loudly, it fades quietly. And that's why the Epstein files still make people uncomfortable, not because of what they proved, but because of what happened after they were released. Almost nothing. And maybe that's the scariest part of the whole story.